Are you planning to grow your own organic vegetables and herbs, but your space is limited? Well, worry no more, because you can start right away with the incredible portable indoor garden, which uses a hydroponic system. This advanced gardening technology has many impressive features that promote rapid, clean, and controlled plant growth. When choosing for the best indoor garden, you need to consider a lot of factors such as full spectrum LEDs, the hydroponic system that is best for the plants that you want to use, and the wattage that the grow lights use, and of course your budget. Stay tuned, as today we'll bring you the 5 best indoor gardens for your home. Whether you need the best of the best or just the most affordable option, we have one for you. If you want to check out the best prices or find more information on the products mentioned in our video, you can check the links in the description below. Now let's start. Our top product is the AeroGarden Bounty with Gourmet Herb Seed Pod Kit. It's the most convenient and exciting way to grow your own garden inside your home. You can grow your own favorite flowers, vegetables, herbs, salad green plants, and almost anything you want to have fresh without soil. It's a great way to practice your green thumb and allow your creativity to grow wild year-round. This powerful hydroponic 9-pod indoor garden has a 24-inch lamp arm, which can be extended to accommodate more variety and a bigger harvest. Its full-spectrum, high-performing 45-watt LED lighting helps plants to grow faster and give more produce. You can also pick the specific spectrum that you want your plants to receive at a given time, allowing them to optimize photosynthesis that promotes rapid growth and abundant produce. It is equipped with a fully interactive LCD touchscreen that alerts you when plants need nutrients and water. This smart technology provides timely tips to nourish the plants and turns the light on or off. Of course, you need to program these on-screen functions first in your settings. Each kit contains 2 pieces of Genovese basil, Thai basil, curly parsley, Italian parsley, mint, thyme, chives, dill, with 3 ounces of patented liquid nutrients from natural mineral salts. Our next product is the Grow LED Plant Indoor Kitchen Garden. This mini garden allows you to start a new hobby and grow anything that you want, like herbs, leafy vegetables, sweetgrass, and succulents. Its minimalist and attractive design suits any home, restaurant, or office environment. It's an ideal and useful decor for your kitchen, bedroom, and living room. It's made of high-grade PVC materials which you can easily assemble. It simulates sunlight to provide 4,000 K of natural light, which is beneficial for growing plants. This advanced LED technology with full spectrum light provides the necessary photosynthesis, promoting fast and better growth. It uses a reliable UL-listed adapter and offers DC 24-volt low voltage, which is safe to use. The light can be turned off and on via a cable on the wire. The white light displays the setting of your own mini garden. Its automatic lighting system allows continuous 8 hours on and 8 hours off, providing sufficient nourishment for growth as well as rest time. No need to worry if you forget to turn it off. With enough supply of light, leaves become stronger and the flowers of ornamental plants more beautiful. You'll be amazed how fast plants grow and flowers bloom, helping you create an atmosphere of greenery inside the comfort of your home. This is a perfect gift for women who love to grow fresh herbs, for men who want to have something green in the work area, and for children who want to learn the process of germination. Getting the 3rd spot is the IRSC Indoor Garden Kit. This lightweight white mini garden is powered by a powerful hydroponic system that stimulates the growth of herbs, leafy or ornamental plants. It has full spectrum adjustable dual mode pink, red, and white LED lamp fixtures that provide maximum sun-like warmth. Use white for regular lighting, and for plant nourishment, switch on the pink-red. Each package has 2 detachable pods with a water reservoir where you will grow your preferred plants. You will not be using soil, only water to nourish them. Compared to other methods, it's very easy to set up and use. Start by removing the planting cover, then put the seeds to the pods. Add water up to the designated mark, then select the pink LED light, which is specially made for growing purposes. program the 16-hour on and 8-hour off as the current mode by holding the power button for 5 seconds. You can also program the timer for on all the time and off all the time modes. This garden kit is the best option for small spaces and for people who are frequently traveling. It also offers a cool green addition to your home or office decor. Enjoy organic and fresh leafy greens or flowering plants right inside your home. You can easily pick some herbs and enhance the taste of your food or a smoothie. Did one of the first 3 products make you want to get one for your home? Well, hold on, because we have more products to feature. Meanwhile, if you're new to our channel and you like what you see, please hit the subscribe button to join our growing community. And while you're at it, you can click the bell icon as well so that you'll get notified when we upload our new videos. Now let's continue. Getting the 4th spot is the Miracle-Gro AeroGarden LED Grow Light. This stylish and compact indoor garden delivers fresh yields, ensuring that you're getting the optimum nutrients of organic herbs or vegetables all year round. No more hassles when you run out of supply in the fridge. If you love beautiful blooms, you can also plant some ornamental plants to put a green accent in your home or office decor. They do not only beautify the space, but also purify the air by absorbing the carbon dioxide. This amazing grow light panel is perfect for all growth stages of plants, from seeds to harvest, in all grow mediums, aquaponics, hydroponics, and soil. The adjustable leg of the stand lets you raise it up, providing the perfect distance and amount of light that your plants need. It can even rotate up to 360 degrees. To optimize the light from the best angle, tilt or hang the grow light on the stand. The growing light feature of this versatile indoor garden is easy on the eyes and great for plants. The white LED lights accelerate growth, red LED spurs more flowers, and the blue LED generates greater and bigger harvest. This 45-watt lights are energy efficient with 30,000 hour usage guarantee. Our last but one of the best sellers is the 3-tier stand Sunlight Light Garden. This rugged, power-coated aluminum 51 by 14 by 68 inch structure allows 18 square feet of thriving space to make your plants healthy as they grow. There are 3 shelves with this 46 by 15 by 2 inch watertight plant trays that ensure floor protection against soil and water spillage. These full-length trays with 2-inch sides are made from 100% recycled plastic materials. Every single feature of this durable stand garden weighs 6 pounds, offering a slimmer frame with more headroom when assembled. All of them have pull chains that easily adjust the height and electronic ballast, which eliminates irritating buzzing. To ensure balanced light coverage on each shelf, the 14-inch fixture uses 2 T5 bulbs that offer abundant full-spectrum lights. These type of bulbs guarantee up to 10,000 hours of usage and 45% energy efficiency. It's equipped with easy roll casters, which allow you to move this light stand anywhere and anytime you want. Enjoy your indoor garden by planting all your favorite herbs, vegetables, orchids, or ornamental plants and placing it in an area that needs a bit of brightening. This is ideal for new garden enthusiasts. The product is made in Vermont, USA. Start living a healthier life by having an indoor garden of herbs and vegetables. You can be sure that you'll get a continuous supply of fresh produce for cooking, flavoring, or garnishing your foods and beverages. Enjoy the benefits of having 100% control to grow your plants. Compared to traditional outdoor gardening, this modern way is much more convenient, safe, and stress-free. It's not surprising that many city dwellers who are living in apartments or condo units prefer this method to create a small organic garden. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description box and start exploring your gardening skills. Invest in your health by growing your own garden inside the confine of your home. We'd love to hear your comments and suggestions, so don't forget to write them in the comment box. If you'd like to stay in the loop, tap the bell icon and we'll keep you posted. Lastly, click the subscribe button for more product reviews and to join our growing community. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video here at the ReviewTube channel.